Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to reset your camera settings on your iPhone. So let's get started. To reset your camera settings, follow these steps. Go to the settings on your phone, scroll down and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. This will reset your camera settings, but don't worry, none of your photos, videos, or apps will be deleted. Everything will stay on your phone. However, keep in mind you will need to reconnect it to Wi-Fi. Your keyboard dictionary and home screen layout will reset. Privacy and location settings will also reset. This is the only way to fully reset camera settings on an iPhone. Once done, your camera settings will be back to default. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you the next one.